guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is the third video of the HTML series that we were doing. And as usual, I will be starting my VS Code like this, open up. Okay, here is the VS Code. It's taking much time, and we have done up to adding the I don't need update now, up to the image addition portion. Okay, so I think you guys are quite easy with the parts we have done till now, and in this video today we are going to learn many new things. So without wasting much time on the previous parts, let's start our new parts. First we will be checking something which I haven't taught you yet. So guys, the first thing is I need to write the fifth heading italic. Let's say I, and close it over here. So as you can see in the output, it has become italic. Okay, now I need to make this bold. Let's write B, and for that it is bold, and here I should end B, and for that it is bold. Okay, but it came up because I haven't put a BR. Okay, clear? Now it's gone back to its regular position. So and in the third I should add one BR over here also. BR. Okay, it's a break, and I should write over here EM. EM means putting emphasis on something. Okay, any changes? Yeah, it changed. So guys, I am putting emphasis on this line. Just suppose you are writing a paragraph, big paragraph, and you need to emphasize on some part. Okay, so you can just give this EM tags, and you can emphasize by tilting it. Then we can make it bold, then we can make it italic. Okay, now the next part, I can also change the emphasis by say small. What is small? You can clearly see what is small. Small means it will make the line, this line, a bit smaller than the other lines. And I should put one BR also over here. Okay, and in this H2 I will be writing what? Writing delete. Del. Okay, see, del means it will cut off that portion of the text. Okay, like just remove it, subscribe, and it will cut it. Okay, so these are the simple tasks which are necessary for HTML, and that's it. And moving on to the next part. So here in the next part, let's add some colors, like say style. Okay, and background color. Okay, let's add brown, and then color, color as white. Okay, so you can see, not white, let's change it to what, this is okay. Okay, oh, not, this is not okay, not at all okay. Black, black is good. So you guys now had seen some variation with the text, some variation with the colors, and now I will be adding a background image. Like that, you need to make one thing, that is style component, and Then you have to add a body. What? What happened? Then, okay, what is happening? I don't know what is happening. So let's add the body, then background image. Then I should add the URL of the image, and that is supernova. Not like that. Supernova. Use supernova.jpg. And what happened? Yeah, here it comes, the background image. But let's zoom it. Background image is already here, but we need to remove this one. For that I should remove this line. Control, no, just give it a, yeah, and I should give all these things a color of white. Say style and color white, and copy this part, Control C, then Control V, then Control V, and then Control V, and it's, I guess it's done. No, something is left. Del, Control V. Okay, so everything is white now, and we had learned how to customize the page, and the more other things that you need to do, like the coloring part and all these things, you will be doing that in CSS. So the basic things in HTML we are done, and more few things are left, and that I will be covering in the 4th class. And you can guess that most of the basic things of HTML are done up to now in the 3rd class. And it's over for today. And after completing the whole HTML part in the last video that will be coming on the next session, after that I will be trying to post the CSS part, and then I will be trying to post the JavaScript part also, and I am starting to work on that. So for that you just have to do one thing: like this video, subscribe the channel, and that's it. Goodbye.